elementar. Now the next problem in straight line, that is the ninth problem in second Roman. Important problem. Ninth problem in second Roman. Find the equation of the straight line find the equation of the straight line passing through the point -2, 4 and making non-zero intercepts. Non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Whose sum is 0. Okay. Same previous problem lagane. Ikkada in the given equation, our required straight line passing through the point -2, 4, that is 1 point, and the second one is and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Whose sum is, and that means the sum of the intercepts is 0. What is the intercept form of the straight line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. From the given condition, the sum of the intercepts is 0, and that means a plus b equal to 0. Okay, write down. Solution. The intercept form of a straight line is, taking the intercept form of a straight line, is, what is the intercept form of a straight line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, this is the intercept form of a straight line. From the given condition, the sum of the intercepts is 0. Sum of the intercepts is 0. That means the x-intercept plus y-intercept equal to 0. Here x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. That means a plus b equal to 0. Since a plus b equal to 0, this implies b equal to minus a or a equal to minus b. ఏదైనా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే ఈ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ లో ఏని గాని బిని గాని దేనైనా ఎలిమినేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ బిని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసినట్లయితే ఫర్ ఎలిమినేటింగ్ బి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బి ఇన్ మైనస్ a. From the substitute the value of b in the above equation. Substitute b equal to minus a in the above equation. Then we have x by a plus y by, here b plus a substitute చేయాలంటే minus a equal to 1. Now this can be written as x by a, here plus into minus, minus y by a equal to 1. Okay, no? Here LCM ఎంతండి? Here LCM is a, so that means x minus y by a equal to 1. Cross multiplication చేస్తే x minus y equal to a. That is the equation number 1. Now we will find the value of a and then substitute the value of a in this equation. How to find the value of a? Here from the given condition, this straight line passing through the point minus 2, 4. Then substitute minus 2, 4 in this equation. That means taking minus 2 in place of x and 4 in place of y in the equation 1. Then we will get the value of a. Okay, na? So since the line 1 passing to the point passing through the point minus 2, 4. Then we have minus 2, 4 ఏదండి పాయింట్ minus 2, 4. x ప్లేస్ లో minus 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, y ప్లేస్ లో 4 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. దెన్ x minus y equal to a. x value, y value substitute చేయండి. Now substitute the values of x and y. What is the x value? Minus 2. Y is 4. X minus y equal to a. That implies here x is minus 2 minus y is 4 equal to a. So this implies minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Therefore a equal to minus 6. Now substitute the value of a in the equation 1. Then that is the required straight line equation. Okay. Now substitute a equal to 6 in the equation 1. What is the equation of 1? X minus y equal to a. A value entandi 6. So this is the equation of required circle. Okay. This is the equation of required straight line. Required straight line. Okay. Right. Okay. A given condition బట్టి మనం కండిషన్ రాయాలండి. గివెన్ కండిషన్ ఏమి ఇస్తున్నాడు? నాన్ జీరో ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ హూ సమ్ ఈస్ జీరో అంటున్నాడు. దట్ మీన్స్ a ప్లస్ b ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. Yes, the next problem. Third Roman lo first problem in third Roman. All these are same model. Very very important problem. Find the equation of the straight line equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 2, 4, passing through the point 3, minus 4, 3, minus 4, and making and making x and y intercepts, x and y intercepts are in the ratio or in the ratio 2:3. Okay na? Previous problem lo nemo sum of the intercepts is 0 annadu, then a plus b equal to 0 rasam. Here x and y intercepts are in the ratio 2:3 annadu. That means a is to b. Here a is x intercept, b is y intercept. Then we have a is to b equal to 2/3. Okay, write down. What is the intercept form of the straight line? Now, the intercept form of the straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the intercept form of the straight line. From the given condition, a is to b equal to 2:3. Since a is to b equal to 2:3, is to means divided by, a is to b means a divided by b. That implies a by b equal to 2/3. So cross multiplication చేయండి. 3a equal to 2b. 3a equal to 2b. ఇక్కడ a ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయొచ్చు ఆర్ b ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయొచ్చు. దేనైనా ఎలిమినేట్ చేయొచ్చు అండి. దిస్ ఇంప్లాయిస్ a equal to 2b/3. ఓకేనా, ఫర్ ఎలిమినేటింగ్ ఏ. అదే b ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలంటే b ఈక్వల్ టు 3a/2 రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది అనమాట. a ఈక్వల్ టు 2b/3. నౌ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ a ఈక్వల్ టు 2b/3 in the above equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1 for eliminating a. So substituting a equal to 2b/3 in the above equation, what is the above equation? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the above equation. Now substitute a equal to 2b/3 in place of a. X by, here a is 2b/3. 2b/3 plus y by b equal to 1. Okay na? Now ఈ 3 ఎక్కడ పోతుందండి? న్యూమరేటర్ పోతుంది. 3x by 2b plus y by b equal to 1. Now taking LCM. Here LCM is 2b. LCM is 2b. So here 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Now cross multiplication చేస్తే 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. This is the equation number 1. 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. That is the equation number 1. Okay na? Okay, మరలా ఒకసారి చూడండి. First write the straight line equation in the intercept form. What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. From the given condition, a is to b equal to 2:3. So a is to b means a by b equal to 2/3. Cross multiplication చేస్తే 3a equal to 2b. From this a equal to 2b/3. Now substitute a equal to 2b/3 in the above equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now substitution. So సో 3 న్యూమరేటర్కి వెళ్ళిపోయిందండి. ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకున్నాను. ఎల్సిఎం ఈస్ 2b. హియర్ 3x plus 2y by 2b equal to 1. 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. Okay. Now, from the given condition, this line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. Then substitute x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 4 in the equation 1. Then we will get the value of b. Finally, substitute the value of b in the first equation. So that is our required equation. Okay, write down. Since the line 1 passing through the point point ఏంటండి? passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. Passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. Now, taking x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 4 in the first equation. Then, what is the equation of 1? 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. Now taking x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 4 in this equation. Here 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 equal to 2b. 9 minus 8 equal to 2b. Therefore, 9 minus 8 is 1. 2b equal to 1. Now substitute the value of 2b in equation 1. Therefore, substitute 2b equal to 1 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? 3x plus 2y equal to 2b. That means 3x plus 2y equal to, now substitute the value of 2b in equation 1. 2b plus 1 రాసేయండి. So this is our required equation. This is the equation of our required line. Okay, no? Write down. Next, we'll go to next problem, second problem. Important problem only, second kuda. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to the line perpendicular to the line passing through the points. Passing through the points one comma one and 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Okay na? ఒక్కోసారి ఎగ్జామ్ లో బోత్ కండిషన్స్ ఇవ్వచ్చండి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ ప్యారలల్ టు ద లైన్ జాయినింగ్ దీస్ 2 పాయింట్స్ అనొచ్చు. Okay na? Now here, now we will find the straight equation of the straight line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Okay na? And perpendicular to the line passing through these 2 points. Okay. Now this is the line which is passing through the points 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. Let it be A 1 comma 1 and B 2 comma 3. Now we will find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. This is the point P. Let it be 4 comma minus 3. And this is the perpendicular to the line AB. Perpendicular to the line AB. Okay na? Suppose first we will find the slope of AB. How to find the slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let it be m. M equal to slope of AB. The equation of the line perpendicular to the point P. What is the slope of the line perpendicular line? Is minus 1 by P. Slope of the line which is parallel to AB అంటేనేమో MA. Slope of the AB వస్తుంది. Perpendicular line అంటే minus 1 by slope of AB. That is minus 1 by M. Now the equation of the line perpendicular to AB is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So where x1 comma y1 is 4 comma minus 3. Okay na? Write down. Solution. Let a equal to 1 comma 1 and b equal to 2 comma 3. First we will find the slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to m. It is denoted by m kadandi. M y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y coordinates, difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 by 1, that equal to 2. So here m is the slope of AB. Then the slope of the perpendicular line is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Now the perpendicular line passing to the point P4 comma minus 3. So here let the coordinates of P 4 comma minus 3, let it be x1 comma y1. Okay na? The equation of the line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3 passing through the point 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to AB and perpendicular symbol అనేది perpendicular to AB. The line AB is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. అదే parallel to the AB అన్నాం అనుకోండి, slopes are not change. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 అవుతుంది అనమాట. Perpendicular to AB is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Now substitute the values of x1, y1 and m. Then we will get the equation of the required circle, the required straight line. Okay, write down. Now, what is x1 comma y1? Here x1 is 4, y1 is minus 3, and m. What is the m? What is the value of m? M equal to 2. Okay. So that is y minus here y1. Y1 is minus 3. Minus of minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus 1 by m is 2. What is the value of m? 2. Minus 1 by 2. X minus x1. Here x1 is 4. X minus 4. Cross multiplication చేయండి. 2 ఈ సైడ్ వస్తుందండి. 2 into y plus 3 equal to minus 1 into x minus 4. 2y plus 6 equal to minus x plus 4. Minus x ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకురండి, 4 ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకురండి. Minus x లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వస్తే x plus x plus 2y plus 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of our required line. Okay, write down. Next, third, first problem. Show that the following points are collinear and find the equation of the line అంటున్నాడండి. Show that the points minus 5 comma 1, 5 comma 5, 10 comma 7, 10 comma 7 are collinear. Or collinear, and also find the equation, and also find the equation of the line passing through these points. Find the equation of the straight line passing through these points. Okay, no? Okay. See this? The given points are collinear. Collinear means if 3 or more points lie on the same line, then that points are collinear. So let it be A, first point, this is the second point, this is the third point. C, lie on the same line. One method is slope of AB equal to slope of AC or slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of AC, then we can say that the given points A, B, C are collinear. In second condition, area of the triangle is 0. Now here, slope of AB equal to slope of AC రాద్దాం. ఎందుకంటే ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది లైన్ కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి కదండి, అందుకని స్లోప్స్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ స్లోప్స్ రాద్దాం. సొల్యూషన్. Let A equal to first point minus 5 comma 1, B equal to 5 comma 5 and C equal to 10 comma 7. First we will find the slope of AB and the slope of AC. Slope of AB. Slope of AB, the line AB. 8 is equal to, that is m. Formula ఏంటండి y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. AB. Taking the points A and B. In A and B, difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Here A and x1 comma y1, B and x2 comma y2. Here y2 minus y1, 5 minus 1 by 5 minus of 5. Here y2 minus y1, 5 minus 5 by 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5. Here 4 by 9. 4 by 10. 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is 2 cancel చేస్తే 2 2s 2 5s 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the slope of AB. Now slope of AC. Slope of AC or BC ఎట్లయినా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చండి. Slope of AC అంటే slope of AC, that is also m అనుకోవచ్చు. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాం. Slope of AC. Now taking the points A and C. The points A and C. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1 comma y1 is minus 5 comma 1. x2 comma y2 is 10 comma 7. So 7 minus 1 by 10 minus of minus 5 plus 5. Here 7 minus 1 is 6 by 15. 6 by 15. 3 cancel అవుతుందండి. 3 2s 3 5s. Okay na? 2 by 5. Here slope of AB equal to slope of AC. So the points A, B, C are collinear. From this we can say that these 3 points are collinear. Therefore slope of AB equal to slope of AC. Therefore the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. First case is over. From this we can say slope of AB equal to slope of AC. From this we can say that the given points are collinear. Next condition. Next we will find the equation of this line. Okay. Now here this line passing through the point A, B, C. Any point, taking any point as x1 comma y1. And what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 2 by 5. That let it be m. M equal to 2 by 5. Write down. Let the coordinates of A minus 5 comma 1 equal to x1 comma y1. M slope of AB or slope of AC, m equal to 2 by 5. Now the equation of the line AB, the equation of the line passing through the given points. Passing through the given points. Is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute x1, y1 and m. Y minus, here y1 is 1, m is 2 by 5. X minus x1, here x1 is minus 5, minus of minus 5 is plus 5. Now cross multiplication. Five into y minus 1 equal to 2 into x plus 5. 5y minus 5 equal to 2x plus 10. ఈ y 5y minus 5 RHS side తీసుకెళ్ళండి. Then we have 2x plus 10 minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. So taken in order, 2x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. 2x minus 5y plus 10 plus 5 is 15. This is our required line equation. Okay, no? Write down. Okay, students, if you like all these videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel JV the Mentor. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటేనే నెక్స్ట్ రిలీజ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ మిమ్మల్ని రీచ్ కాగలవు, లేకపోతే మిమ్మల్ని రీచ్ కాలేవండి. అందుకని మీరు కంపల్సరీగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, ప్లీజ్.